Guys, so it's later on this afternoon. I just wanted to give you a little peek at my pig because this is so cute. That's what he's doing. He found the one warm place on the whole porch, and that's where he wanted to sit. So I am back from work. Just had a little lunch break. I've actually been like, I don't know, singing and playing guitar some and writing a little bit, and I'm gonna try to make some lunch. When I don't know what to eat, I eat breakfast, and we're kind of out of food, so I think I'm gonna make some eggs. I made some fries that go with eggs to me, like potatoes and stuff go with that, and then I'll probably have a salad on the side, strange as that sounds, because I still need my veggies. And I made myself some bacon. So yeah, I'm just gonna make breakfast for lunch, and then I think I'm gonna try to clean up the kitchen if I have time. If I don't, I'll do it when I get back. So Evan was playing with my tripod. I mean, it is really interesting looking. Maybe one day I'll show it to you. But it just has like a lot of joints in it, like most little camera tripods. And so he made it into this strange configuration, which if you're a Disney fan, you'll remember the contraption that the Beast puts Belle's father into when he like sends him back to town. It looked like that, like the legs were like that kind of deal. And so now my tripod doesn't want to sit up straight because it wants to be the Beauty and Beast contraption. Anyway, so I'm gonna scramble some eggs. Probably don't need more than 2, I think. See? This is what I mean. How did that fall? Urgh. How did that fall? Ask. How did it fall? I don't know. I'm sure he thinks that I'm here to give him a snack. Let me close the door. I'm not here to give him a snack, if he sure is following me around like that, because he actually probably got up in the first place because he thought I was going to give him a snack. It's all about the food. It's all about the food. Okay, so I basically have like 10 minutes to eat. Most nutritious breakfast ever. Yay. And I'm drinking milk. Y'all, I'm just trying to get my calorie count. And this whole Vlogmas thing is like really busy. It's really interesting. But yeah, I think it's gonna be a good day. And honestly, my main deal this week is just that I've scheduled so many things like at the beginning, or I mean at the end of my day, and that's so unlike me, but like there were just a lot of things that kind of fell into this week. Sorry, you know when your bun is so tight, you're like, oh. There are just a lot of things that kind of fell into this week, and so it was just like, okay, I can just do this week and then my life will calm down. So I'm kind of excited about that. I'm really excited for Thursday, whoop whoop, when my tree gets here. Anyway, let's eat. And then we're gonna go on the road and go see my mom. Hey guys. Oh, hey guys. So now I'm trying to be quiet because everybody's quiet in here. I'm at my parents' house. This is their house. I grew up in a sea of yellow and blue. So, like literally. So I am gonna sit down and make my Christmas list and hopefully get a little bit of other work done for Evan. And I had this idea, this is so unnecessary, maybe you're like this, where I wanted to like design my Christmas list because that sounded like fun instead of just making a list, because I have like images in my head of like what I want, but I don't want to pick the exact thing out for him. So I thought, hey, wouldn't it be cool if I just made him like a little booklet of my Christmas list so he would know like this is the stuff that she wants. So anyway, I'm gonna design that. I'm gonna let you watch me do it, and then I'm here to help put up decorations, so that should be really fun too.
Okay, so I was for tonight for decorating for Christmas, I bought everybody fresh candy canes, not last year's candy canes, new candy canes, but I didn't want the sugar, so I was thinking, okay, so I'm gonna try just putting like a drop of peppermint oil in a cup of tea to see if that, you know, that'll give me a little peppermint flavor. So I tried it this afternoon. Oh my gosh. And now the truth is, I don't know if I put 1 drop or 2 because the first time I shook it, I didn't see anything happen, but I thought it should have.
Is this like good quality peppermint
Yes, it's
oil?
from Whole Foods,
yeah.
365. So anyway, I shook it 1 more time, and the second time I know I got a drop. And then I went to drink it. It singed my corneas off. I'm lucky I can still see. Oh
yes,
my God, that stuff just came up in my face. It was awful.
So,
oh my Lord.
This one time, and the only reason I'm letting my mom humiliate herself is that I'm about to do it too. This one time, I was like, oh, I just gotten all of my oils, you know, from my boss or whatever. So I was all excited about them, and they are doTERRA. So they're pretty pure, right? I had acne at the time. Bad acne. So I'm thinking like, you know what? I hear that if you put this stuff on your face, it's gonna be really good for you to help all this kind of thing. So I put it, where did I put it? I put
Peppermint oil?
Yes.
Oh.
I put it like somewhere on my cheek or something. And then I think I tried to like rinse my face in some way. It was in my eyes. I was crying like a baby and I couldn't get it to stop burning. And then Evan was home and he's like laughing because it is so bad. My whole face was on fire and I couldn't get it to stop. And he's like,
should have dumped your head in the kitchen sink for eye wash.
I was like rinsing it. So then he was like, babe, okay, you need to put some milk on it. And that actually helped. So I like doused my face in milk, but it was burning for hours.
Oh my God.
Like, so I feel your pain, and I'm glad that you tested it.
But let me tell you, people, if you ever have a stuffed up nose, a drop of peppermint oil.
But you're supposed to mix it. That's how I learned. You're supposed to mix it and dilute it because the real stuff
with a carrier
is like
oil.
A real deal.
So
yeah.
strong. Oh my goodness.
Scary bad. Anyway, I'm excited. Thanks, Mom. Oh, you're so sweet. So, oh, and I finished my. Is it exported? I want to show it to you. Come look what I did, Mom. I finished my Christmas list, so let's export it so we can look at the real deal. My grandma's here! Yay!
If you didn't give me all slots, like I'm doing this stuff.
No! Oh my goodness, of course not.
You know, I look in the mirror and go.
You're fine. Your slippers are fun, Dad. Let's get a good look at these slippers. These slippers are fantastic. Who bought these? Someone fess up. Joshua? Was it you? Who bought them?
I really thought it was Cameron.
I don't know. That looks like a Cameron gift.
Mm-hmm.
I have never seen them before. It wasn't me.
They're so cool.
They're fun. So we're starting off with the bowls on top. 10 seconds to Christmas Village. What are you talking about?
Don't disclose my secrets.
This is what YouTube is all about. Tell it all. Tell it all.
No, not the family secret.
Let the people know. This is where we keep our Tupperware. Anyway.
And the mess.
Right, and the mess. The mess before it looks nice. It's important. Anyway, now we're going to put some snow on top.
Okay, so then you put your houses up and then you stick
Oh,
your
the
snow
lighting is not
in.
very good.
Around.
Yeah,
Because
in
of
places where it looks.
Probably needs to be up higher. Yeah, that's better.
I think so.
You know, so you can't quite tell that it's only in this box. But.
Okay.
And I don't even care what we put where. When the children were growing up, we would have great fun deciding, making neighborhoods and all that. Huh?
Right, and now it's just, the church has to be in the center of the town.
We have 3, look, these are some very godly people. We have 3
They
churches.
live in Raleigh.
We
Okay.
have 3 churches.
Well, but they're different churches though. So like, which churches do we have to choose from? That cathedral, I believe, goes, let's put it right here in the corner.
I don't want all the churches together because I like for every family to be able to have
To worship God.
right. Be able to connect the body of the believers.
Oh, we didn't put a light in the church.
Of all places, do not have the light.
Jesus
darkness.
Jesus is the light in the church.
If you want to be biblical, then you need to think about Revelation when he says that he would extinguish their lamp and take away the light. So actually,
Let's get a light in this church.
right, let's get a light for the
Here,
church.
honey, let me put this suicide on.
They might have to close their doors. That wouldn't be good. Oh, we can't see our snowman.
What put you in a James Brown?
You want me to change?
He's always in a James Brown mood. I always ask these questions. If I ever, can we turn, Alexa, stop. She always is, well, y'all talk to her. She doesn't listen to you, so.
Shut up.
Alexa's a little hard.
She is hard of hearing. If you have Alexa, speak up. Anyway, she's always like, oh, if I didn't do this or that, would it not feel like Christmas? That's what you're always saying.
Well, you know why? It's because, like, you're here and you're helping, but I used to have a crew of 4.
That's true.
And so I need to know, like, what's really worth the effort and what's not.
I feel like the tree, what makes the tree a nativity in your house? My house is different. A tree, a nativity, and the what?
Village.
And the village are Christmas in your house.
I had
Yeah.
7 treetops.
You had so many. I forgot about that. Oh no. And these things. Guys, these are my Christmas traditions.
Absolutely.
This makes it feel like Christmas to me for sure. Like 100%. I spent much more time with this than the houses. And this nativity set, which was my favorite ever. I loved this. This, look, they're,
Yeah, I was trying to make sure we had a nativity you could actually play with and touch.
yeah, this is Christmas to me.